My power cut out and then I come on and I'm straight on the screen. Give me a second, guys. What's up, guys? It's your boy GP with DeOrganized Media, bringing you another awesome episode of DeOrganized Nightly, where we get your favorite Giga Brain Astronaut Scholars together to have an awesome conversation about Bitcoin news, world news, alpha, straight and fresh, hot off the presses. Sorry, that was a rough start, man. My power just went out for a second, had to reconnect. Got a delivery, and then my nephew pops up all at the same time. So a lot of things going on all at once. Luckily enough, my power came back on, and my guys were checking on me like, "Hey, GP, you all right? You all right?" Nah, I'm just fine, man. Just producing a show and doing too many things at once. I hope you have had a very high frequency Friday. A lot of bullish stuff to talk about. Talk about that new BTC all-time high, baby. Let's go. BTC to a million a coin. Let's go. By the end of 2025, I'm calling it right now. I feel it in my bones. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting around 117,000, and new all-time high is 118.82 K. So yeah, I mean, BTC is doing its thing, baby. And more people are learning about how they can put their Bitcoin to work via stacks. So very, very cool. Very based. We have the POX mechanism in stacks where you can secure the network and earn native BTC yield. So very, very cool stuff. But without further ado, let's get into the news segment. Also, around 8 p.m., we're going to be playing Find to Earn in the Zest Protocol Discord. So go to @Zest Protocol on X and join the Discord. Yeah, my dog got soaked wet too, so he's itchy. But yeah, go to the Zest Protocol Discord, jump in there. That's where we'll be playing, and we're going to be streaming it live. So let me bring up my my news tabs here real quick, and hopefully I will not lose power again. It is storming hard. Turned into the weatherman telling you exactly what type of weather I got going on. But yeah, without further ado, coming from Lord Rosar here. So whitelist open. Reply below with your SDX wallet address. Your Gen 1 starter Pokemon, no evolved forms. Pokemon numbers 138 through 151 are banned. EV number 133 limited to the first unique picks, or 3 unique picks. 70 Pokemon, 72 total spots. Choose wisely. So I'm going to go ahead and go in here and grab my leather wallet. And I'm going to drop it in here. I'm trying to stay on top of the alpha. So if you jump in, I think there's 22 comments so far. If you go and drop your comment, there's about 50 spots left, and that's at Lord Rosar. I wonder what he has up his sleeve. Earlier today on the Let's Go morning show, he was showing off some of the things that he was coding, codenamed Tokimon. Boom, and I'm in the game. Liked, and I reshared, and I also, my Gen 1 starter was Charmander. And then I need to do this. Boom. There you go. Right on. So I got that done. Go get on top of that alpha. 50 spots left. Now 49. So moving on into the RWA watch list here. Breaking crypto taxes. The U.S. Treasury has removed crypto broker reporting rules, including Form 1099-DA. It was designed to require crypto brokers, including DeFi platforms, to report users' digital asset transactions to the IRS for tax compliance. So big win for DeFi here. I love that the U.S. Treasury has removed this crypto broker reporting rule. It's based. It's good for stacks. It's good for different DeFi platforms and DeFi ecosystems. So let's go. Big news there. Big shout out to the Honey Badger SDX account for putting me on game. And let's listen into this little here. This is a good example.
From 113 to...
So we're going to listen to this, right? We're going to listen to this, and then I'm going to tell you something right after. Okay, so let's listen to Jeff Bezos talking about, whatchamacallit. And yeah, doohickeys.
The stock is not the company, and the company is not the stock. And so as I watched the stock fall from 113 to 6, I was also watching all of our internal business metrics, number of customers, profit per unit, everything you can imagine, defects, etc. Every single thing about the business was getting better and fast. And so as the stock price was going the wrong way, everything inside the company was going the right way. And we didn't need to go back to the capital markets. We didn't need more money. The only reason, a financial bust like the internet bubble bursting makes it really hard to raise money. But, we already had the money we needed. So we just needed to continue to progress. The stock is...
So that reminds me of exactly what is going on in stacks right now. The fundamentals are even stronger than ever before. We have real deal Bitcoin DeFi within our ecosystem and plenty of ways to earn, including yield arbitrage strategies and more. Borrowing and lending, liquid staking, NFTs, all of that has just gotten stronger and stronger as the price has kind of had its a little lull. But it is almost alt season, and a lot of people on the timeline are calling for it very, very soon. So very based, reminded me of STX. Again, shout out to the Honey Badger STX account that put me on the game to that. From Bitcoin Magazine, Bitcoin has no top because fiat has no bottom. And look at this. So fiat going to the downside, Bitcoin going to the upside. Bitcoin is the hardest store of value. And, I think that it's the hardest asset in existence. So there you go. Coming from the Stacks Foundation, and you can follow that account at Stacks.org. No matter your experience, there's always a way to start building on Stacks and grow the Bitcoin economy. Learn Web3, a full Stacks developer track, code for STX, earn monthly rewards for contributing, Stacks Ascent, grants and support for your startup. Builders, welcome. So go check it out here. You can go to stacks.org and check out all this stuff that they have going on there. Moving on, and definitely Google Stacks Ascent. It'll bring it up for you right there. So this one's cool. Breaking: Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell is reportedly considered resigning. A lot of people are yipping and yelling about that. That's pretty cool. I have to highlight this while we get into the main STX news from Ace Band 2021 here. Giveaway. And a rare SP Bitcoin Spaghetti Punk Bitcoin Bull OG. Drawing once, 100 referrals received via link below. So look at this very, very OG collection. It is the 19th rarest out of 400 NFTs in the collection. Doing this giveaway here. So go definitely follow Ace Band 2021 on X and get involved with the Spaghetti Punk Club. You definitely want to be following Spaghetti_Punk to stay in the know. Spaghetti Punks are OG NFTs within the Stacks ecosystem, and their crew has built a lot of very useful tools that our ecosystem uses very often, such as the Sipton's asset snapshot pool or snapshot tool, as well as the NFT snapshot tool. So go in there. They have a new referral system that is fully on chain where you can earn STX by referring people if they use your link. So very cool. I love seeing that. Coming from Jackman Switch, the Stack legend, legend of Stacks legend, Jackman Switch. Here, the upcoming Rue Defenders DMT Bitcoin Ordinal Collection will redacted alpha. Stacks Invaders DNT NFTs. Rubrus and Stacks Invaders collectors, are you ready for the mint? Will you be? So there is some alpha coming for Stacks Invaders, and you definitely want to be following the new Stacks Invader account. So that is at Stacks Invader without the S, and that is going to be the official handle. Stacks Invaders are super unique and contain high level of perfection. If you have a one of one 80s version, show it off, and let's see those invaders. So this is the Iron Man one of one 80s Stacks Invader. Actually did work on the 80s upgrades for the Stacks Invaders. If you do not know about Stacks Invaders, they are the most programmable NFTs just about anywhere. They live on chain, so even and no IPFS is required for these NFTs. If Gamma, the main NFT marketplace, went down, we could recreate the Stacks Invaders from the metadata that lives directly on chain anywhere else. So they are highly programmable, upgradable NFTs even after mint out, and you should definitely have a Stacks Invader looking like there's some alpha coming. So get yourself some exposure. I think the floor is like around 23 STX. Not very. It's yes, very undervalued. Coming from Koa from STX City here. Prompt: I want Stacks STX to $10 this bull run. The new product will generate memes for you using AI. Reply to be the first user. So I have replied to this, and he did a little demo here. And look at this, it's just generating memes off the rip, off the bat, right there, like full extra. So moving on, new Pump Fund announces it has acquired wallet tracker Colscan. Look at that, look at that. Yep, and then we covered Fed Jerome Powell, maybe standing down. Public traded video sharing platform Rumble is launching its own crypto wallet after establishing a Bitcoin treasury. Look at that. Coming from my handle right here, GPSC_STX, it is Hump Day. Another awesome time for a giveaway. This week, I'm giving away a Giga Pepe V2 NFT. To enter, like, and repost, tag 3 friends in the comments, comment with your pick of your favorite Giga Pepe V2. The winner will be selected on Friday. And check out these very based Giga Pepes right here and this gift that I made. Look at that. Look at that. So go to this post. I'm going to select the winner after the podcast and after the Find to Earn rounds tonight. And we can take a little scroll and see what the favorite Giga Pepes are. Somebody likes the Homer. This devilish looking one. Bull you pick likes the rare caution tape. Look at this one, skin face, leather face skin here for this guy. We got Jeremiah's PFP here. I really like the tinfoil hat conspiracy theory guy. This is OY's PFP, Cole's PFP here. We've got Jide here coming in. So all sorts of based answers coming in. So go hit this up before the end of the stream if you want to partake in the giveaway for a Giga Pepe V2 NFT. Coming from the main Stacks handle here, this is a big one. This is we should definitely chew on this for a second. Coming from the main Stacks handle here, so the Satoshi upgrades, self-custodial SBTC. Overview of the technical advancements. Self-custodial minting. A programmable Bitcoin asset would ideally require that any transaction that could move a Bitcoin holder's underlying BTC must be signed by them, thereby eliminating any custodial risk. As we'll show later, using a combination of zero-knowledge proofs, HTLCs, and the fact that Stacks nodes have access to Bitcoin state and therefore can independently verify the existence of any given Bitcoin transaction, it is indeed possible to design this into SBTC. Extra care must be taken when transfers happen to other users or into a smart contract. When transferring to another Stacks user, the custody of underlying BTC needs to be updated accordingly. While when deploying to a smart contract, ownership moves to a decentralized signer set by default. A new data structure called the redemption DAG is used to manage and track all the state changes on the Stacks L2. Post conditions on the underlying Bitcoin. When self-custodial SBTC is transferred into a smart contract, the default is that the underlying BTC is held by the SBTC signer set. While this is adequate for many situations today, certain use cases might desire more control over the underlying BTC, and we can enable this. The high-level idea is that just like there are post-conditions for Stacks transactions, we can introduce post-conditions that govern the custody of underlying Bitcoin. For instance, a lending application could specify in their Clarity contract that upon liquidation, the BTC will be released to a particular Bitcoin address. This is only possible because Stacks has full access to Bitcoin state and is tightly integrated with the Bitcoin L1. I've heard Stacks referred to as a Bitcoin layer 0.5 before, more than an L2, and it's because we have Bitcoin finality, and it is very, if Bitcoin goes down, Stacks doesn't work. It's just that closely correlated, right? So I love this. And, the Stacks devs giving us a little taste of how it's going to work behind the scenes. So again, from the Stacks handle, SIP31 vote update. With nearly 230 million in STX voting power cast, SIP31 is showing a 96.66 in favor of SIP approval. Voting will wrap up in 2 days, so be sure to get your votes in if you haven't yet. Vote at stx.eco. Love it. Coming from the Leather handle, and you can follow that at LeatherBTC. STX DeFi Season 2 is officially here, and it's stablecoin coded. Earn BTC without selling yours by completing on-chain quests. Another 10,000 STX is up for grabs. Let's ride. And you can check that out at stxdefi.com. Coming from the Zero Authority handle, and I just thought that we would rehash this because it was a main talking point in the many conversations today. Uh, Welcome to Zero Authority DAO. We help you build your reputation on chain. Onboard to the Stacks ecosystem, earn through gigs and bounties and tasks, grow your skills and network, join a movement where your on-chain rep speaks louder than your resume. Whether you're new, um, whether you're new or building already, we'll connect you to real opportunities. I love Zero Authority, so go check out zeroauthoritydao.com and start participating in the decentralized gig economy on Bitcoin. Coming from the Bitflow handle, and you can follow that at Bitflow_finance. Happy new Bitcoin all-time high. As we said, 118.8K. Forget about it. Surf's Up. The DEX aggregator on Stacks combines multiple DEXs and liquidity pools to guarantee the best swap rates. Built for smart traders who want the highest returns. So you can swap between many different Bitcoin assets, including wrapped runes and SIP10s on Bitflow. Very cool. Coming from the Hermetica handle, and you can follow that at Hermetica we heard our yields have been putting a smile on your face. This week we came with 10% APY, so you can keep your smile. If you do not know, USDH is the first Bitcoin-backed stable in existence. It is a rune, so I want my stables backed by Bitcoin. Love it. And we may revisit this, but this is a breakdown about how USD works or USDH works. Coming from the Stacking DAO handle, and you can follow that at Stacking DAO. Stacking DAO LSTs are becoming the pristine collateral of Stacks. 5 million in borrowing is now powered by STSDX and STSDX BTC. STSDX and STSDX BTC aren't just passive assets, they're powering the next wave of Bitcoin DeFi. Love it. Coming from the Zest protocol handle, and we will be playing Find or Earn in the Zest Discord, so jump in there. This is the handle you want to follow. Want to put your SBTC and Stacks assets to work? Zest highlights 3 BTC FIs strategies to help you earn more in the Stacks ecosystem. Don't miss this guide to boosting your returns. So one example is a simple but good strategy is earning passive yield on the best performing asset of the last decade. Deposit SBTC and earn 4.02% APY on your Bitcoin. I love that, man. You want to earn 4% for just holding Bitcoin? Go do it. SCX stacking yields are 10% APY this cycle, a good time to take advantage of Stacking DAO's instant yield feature. Deposit today and start earning the same day. No need to wait for the next cycle. Love it. With 1.3 million AE USDC flowing into Zest, borrowing rates have dropped to just 2.09%. That's unlocked a new yield loop. Borrow AE USDC at 2.09%, swap to USDH on a DEX, and stake USDH to earn 10% APY. More liquidity, cheaper buying, better yield. Love it. Love it. Base strategy. There's a lot of yield arbitrage opportunities in our ecosystem. Moving on into the main news, Ethereum plans to launch a L1 ZK EVM within a year, aiming to integrate ZK proofs across the stack for scalability, privacy, and more ZK-friendly protocol. Bo Hines says it's Crypto Week in the White House as the Genius Act heads to the president's desk and the Clarity Act moves to the Senate. Time to make America the crypto capital of the world. Love it. Aguila trades unrealized profit hits 25 million in BTC. This is a good one. We talked about this. FHFA chairman says Jerome Powell's possible resignation would be the right direction for America and predicts the economy will boom. They're talking about the biggest rate cut in history. I don't know if it'll happen at the end of this month or not. Maxine Waters and Stephen Lynch launch anti-crypto corruption week to oppose GOP-backed crypto bills that they say enable Trump's crypto corruption. Wonder about this. McDonald's AI hiring bot exposed millions of applicants' data after hackers accessed the system by using the word password 123456. You can't make this shit up, guys. Like, why? You're a major company and you're a worldwide company, and you use the password 123456. You're asking to be hacked. Forget about it. Okay, so this happened. So the GMX hacker, he hacked a whole bunch of funds. I think it was 400 million in funds, and the offer for the white hat for all right. So let me just read this. The GMX hacker is returning 40 million in stolen funds after accepting a 5 million white hat bounty offer from the protocol. So I think the offer was 10%, and 10% of that is 50 million. So there you go, returning a little bit of funds there, and it looks like the price recovered a bit. Bullish Michael Saylor strategy holds 28 billion in unrealized profit from its Bitcoin investment. Just gonna scroll. Oh yeah, uh, Nasdaq listed Upexi to raise 200 million to double its Solana treasury from to 1.65 million SOL. Japanese digital banks are exploring the Solana blockchain for stable issuance. Shanghai officials push for yuan-backed stablecoins as China reconsiders its stance amid global adoption. Bullish Bitcoin treasury holdings have surpassed 800,000 BTC. Huge. Yep. As global powers turn to BTC, India faces a choice: stay cautious or stake its claim in the next monetary era. Um, and this is a big one here. 2.42 billion in shorts were liquidated on July 10th, the largest daily wipeout in 4 years as BTC surged past 118K to a new all-time high. BlackRock holding 5 billion worth of ETFs saw their second biggest day of inflows ever, 1.17 billion into Bitcoin funds and 383 million into Ethereum, led by BlackRock and Fidelity. Bhutan government sends another 100 BTC to Binance. Hacker stole oh, this is a big one. Hackers stole over 1 billion Brazilian reais, 2 million dollars to be exact, by exploiting Brazil's central bank payment system. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And I think that's it. Look at this robot trying to make a pizza. Look at it. Look at it. And the Clarity Alliance, we published an extensive analysis of last month's Alex hack as well. So, but look at the pizza. I've got some base chads in the house, and I want to, bring them on. So I'm gonna stop sharing, and I'm gonna bring on the base chads. Happy Friday, guys! So we got BullUpick.btc in the house, and we also have the man himself with the most base giveaway going on the timeline, Chad STX, aka Ace. What's up, guys? How are we doing today?
Good evening, GP. Bully Pick.
Well, I had a hard start, man. A lot of things
Hey,
going on all at
Chad.
once. How are we doing, man? Happy Friday, guys. How we feeling about all? How do we feel about all of this, like crazy stuff? We've got like Dexes getting hacked, banks getting hacked. But with good news, we have brokers not being required to essentially report DeFi to the IRS. That's good news for Stacks and all other DeFi ecosystems, man.
That's huge. And if for some reason we end up with no capital gains or taxes on Bitcoin, no reporting, that's a hell of a blue sky for us for people in general going forward.
Yeah.
That's so damn bullish. I don't even know what to say.
Yeah, dude, because we were worried. We were talking a few weeks back, like a couple weeks back, with Crypto Dude about the Genius bill and how it may affect DeFi and yield-bearing stablecoins and DeFi, and yeah, it was questionable, right? Because there are things in that bill that kind of state that like yield-bearing stablecoins are like against the rules and stuff. This kind of contradicts that in a bit, like just a bit, and makes it like to where it's like, hey, big brokers don't have to, they can participate in DeFi and not have to report it to the IRS.
I wonder if it still requires KYC. That's still part of it.
Yeah, but then the Clarity Act has it's about not stifling innovation and stuff, and it like impacts DeFi and says that DeFi is okay. Whereas, like, yeah, I mean, the Genius Act is all about stable. So you're right. There are things that are still up in the air, man. Like, I can't put my finger on it. Is it okay to be doing, like, or is it, regardless, I'm still gonna do it. I mean, I'm a rebel. I'm opting out of a failing system for a different one. That's what I'm doing. So it's I don't know. I don't know how to feel about it, but I do like Bitcoin at 118K. I'm not gonna lie. Been a bullish week to say the least. We've got a lot of like social fight campaigns happening in the Stacks ecosystem, like the Use STX campaign, which is a campaign launched in conjunction of DeOrganized Media, and then the Stacks Foundation. So that campaign, we got the Zeely campaign going on, where you can earn from a prize pool of 10K SDX for season 2. The first season was 50K SDX. We have this endowment where it'll properly incentivize new builders into entering the space, giving us a marketing budget, incentivizing builders that are already here, deepening liquidity. Like, it just feels like we're all so early, right? And the vote is going to finalize. I think it'll be either late Saturday or early Sunday is what it's looking like.
What do you think, Willipick?
What you think,
Yeah, I
bro?
think it's I think it's Sunday before it's went.
Yeah, you feeling bullish, feeling good about everything that's going on in our ecosystem?
Yeah, I'm super bullish on everything that's going on. I mean, when the new SIP passes, it's going to open so much opportunities to everyone in the ecosystem. So I think it's a good thing for the ecosystem.
You know, I think that founders like yourself, like with your smoke token, maybe you could write up a proposal and like say, hey, this is what I plan to intend to do. I need some funding to like build a team to accomplish this, and that's what it's exactly for. It's for the community to build with. So I think that it would be a good, I think I know of a few different people that are going to make proposals already, including Hero Gamer with D grants and spinning up a Stacks node so that we can earn some passive income to use that to bootstrap different projects and stuff. A lot of projects, including DeOrganized, came out of D grants, which is a decentralized grants program that was uh, very grassroots, very very grassroots based, and didn't have a whole lot of funding, but like it had enough to make something shake. So think about what could be accomplished if D Grants has a node and has passive income coming in every year to where we can bootstrap different projects. I think it's massive. It's a great idea. Community nodes for the win. So yeah,
Yeah.
we got about 10 minutes until we start playing some Finder, which I've been looking forward to. But we got a little something called the Zest Meme Coin Sprint that's taking place in the Zest Discord, where we've got some very, very based founders that have sponsored the Zest Meme Coin Sprint, including Rue, Leo, Flat, Peggy, Nasty, and Stacking Out with SDSDX. So it's like we put these Zest community chests together to reward active participants in the Discord. So we're gonna have some fine turn rounds, 6 to be exact, tonight, to where you can earn $10 in assorted meme coins. So I love it, man. I think it's been a lot of fun. We have weekly content contests, daily rumbles, which now are going to require users to participate in the content challenge. So it's more like a boost to our content creators. Like if they win a rumble, then they'll get a little boost to their Zest community chest. So just different ways to incentivize content creators within the community, and I work really hard to put that together. It takes a lot of coordination and a lot of work on my behalf to secure these prizes for the community. So like I have to put proposals and and all of that together, and then come up with the activities and stuff like that. So I had some questions about like the prizes and like a lot goes into it. A lot goes into it. I work really hard on it. Um, the activity schedule doesn't manifest itself. So I just
It
wanted to put.
shows, GP. It shows. You're probably the most create the most fun activities and giveaways, and you're in the middle of everything, like Peace always says, and you keep it fun and you keep it different and moving forward. So much appreciated, man. I see it, and you're doing great work, brother.
Thank you, dude. Thank you, man. Like you know, I just want to be like I'm not doing this for me. I don't make a dime off of doing this, right? Like all the prizes that are sponsored by the founders in the Zestcoin meme coin sprint go to the users in the Discord. Like this is what I would do it for, man. Like I want to put us all on. Like think about what these $20 prizes, these $5 prizes, these $10 prizes will like. They're full of based assets that will only appreciate as SDX appreciates exponentially, though. So, like, if you have diamond hands and you win one of these prizes, that $20 can turn into $400, like very easily if you just hold on to it instead of like, if you paper hand the bottom, I can't help you. What is it? NGMI not gonna make it. Like So that's what I want to do is like I want to be able to help people pack their bags, get ready for this this repricing in altcoin assets. Your SIP10 assets are your beta play on SDX, and SDX is your beta play on Bitcoin, right? We have a very unique mechanism called the POX mechanism, to where you can earn native Bitcoin for locking up your stacks, and that's unique to Stack. I think it's really special and it's underrated, and Stacks is like is undervalued right now. So I think that we're gonna get a repeat of what happened last year when we saw a big run up to 384 in Stacks. It's gonna happen violently. It's gonna happen fast. Would you agree, Chad?
Yeah, I was around back when the other previous. I think I was pretty new in that very first. Trying to think if it was like a $2 to $3 spike, like really relatively quickly. And I've been through two of those, and it's pretty remarkable how that happens. And even to it's like where it's coming from, how it happens, and it's a great reminder of you just need to be preparing the whole way, because you're not going to time it. It's going to run out in front of you before you even have a chance to respond. So having the plan and planning along the way. But yeah, that's what it feels like. I mean, it almost feels surreal though, the way that Stacks has been performing the last like 36 hours or so. To see it back up into that territory again, it just start feeling like expecting it to go down. Can it keep going? But like you were reporting, there's so many positive things going on in the ecosystem, so much stronger than it ever has been. There's just so much going for it. Like I don't know how anybody couldn't be turned on by the prospects of Stacks at 75 cents essentially. It's pretty incredible.
Yeah, just take a look at this, right? Like, so to show strength, just on a very, very micro time frame, Stacks, it pumped up like to about like 78 cents, right around 78 cents. It retraced and bounced off the 200 moving average on the 15-minute. But that's on very, very micro time frames. If we zoom out a little bit, look at this. Look how beautiful this looks. Going into the daily, let me take it off a log. Look at this. I mean, like, you clearly see the volatility, right? Like, we're in this phase where it kind of comes down, makes a double bottom, and then boom, you go up for 800%, right? So this is clearly what I see as a double bottom, And what I'm calling is whenever the 21-day moving average crosses this, which is the red line here, crosses this blue line here, the 50-day moving average. Look what happened last time, right? It started working its way, and whenever it crossed, boom, we were pumping. So that's what it's doing right now. And then once it crossed, it came back and retested the 21-day moving average, and then pumped again. So this time we have the 200 MA right there on the daily chart. So I'm saying that maybe we might not even wait to retest. Maybe we just go back and test and fill this gap instead of leaving a fair value gap here, which we could draw a rectangle on here. If we do leave a bullish fair value gap here and price does not come back and retest, we could easily see where is the 21 moving day average at. It's around 90 cents. Yeah, 90 cents. We could easily see a pump straight up to 90 cents and leave this gap for later on, and we could just see a tear. And this is zooming way in. Look how much further we have to go until all-time highs around $3.84 is around. Switch to the BTC chart with way too many lines on it. Sorry about that. Here, let me go back to, oh, that's the BTC chart. Here we go. So like we're way down here, man. Like this is the time to be accumulating alts. Looking at Bitcoin dominance, we're seeing it like start to kind of like look like it's signaling like, hey, we want to rotate a bit. But of course, with this new all-time high put in today, we got a little wick. We wick down, boom, let alts get a little flavor, and then boom. I don't know if we go back and make a double top up here with Bitcoin dominance around 66% or what, or if we just continue downward and we see alt season now. So a lot of things come into account. Looking at the BTC chart here, I can get down to let's go to a 4 hour. No, let's go down to even smaller time frames. Go down to a 15-minute time frame. Make this look like this. Boom, boom. I called it, man. I was like, hey, this looks like the track to a 20K, though I was off by, like a little, like one, maybe, is that 1%? Less than 1%? I was off by like 0.6% there, but I drew this flag. Took the measured move. What you do is you take the flagpole here if you're a pattern trader, and then you move it up to there. Boom, there's that measured move. And then what I did was I took this flag right here, this flagpole. I called this a flag, and then boom, straight up to if I were to pull it from the bottom of the pattern, the flag, I would have hit it, nailed it right on top, but I pulled it from the top, and then, I was a little over bullish, but still, I mean, I think this looks good. We went up and hit targets within, 1%. And, now we have a new all-time high, and feeling extra bullish today, feeling like we're going in the right direction. We have the wormhole integration with, we have the integration with Stacks and SBTC for wormhole that is going to make Stacks multi-chain now. It's going to take SBTC and Stacks to Solana and Sui first, and then from there to 40 other blockchains that use NTT technology through Wormhole that are integrated there. So I think having a decentralized wrapped Bitcoin asset is attractive to other ecosystems. They want to be able to, take profits directly into Bitcoin, and they want to do it with a decentralized Bitcoin. So I think it's looking good. I think the fundamentals are ever better than before whenever we were at all-time highs and had slow blocks. We have fast blocks for Bitcoin finality, a wrapped Bitcoin asset in our ecosystem that is going fully self-custodial, that is decentralized with no federated systems planned. Like, we got it going on right now, man. Just the other day, we had a BNS name, a .btc name AIBTC sell for over 20,000 stacks. Like 14 grand. It's crazy.
Yeah, I saw Darth do posted those 3 names. That was a lot of dough.
Yeah, and can you guys still hear me? I knocked my soundboard over.
I can hear you.
Okay. So, like, I feel like things are going in the right direction. Like I said, even NFTs are starting to take off a bit. Um, we got 7K volume in the Leocats NFT collection just the other day, and the floor 4x, right? Um, and Giga Pepe V2 got verified finally. We did our thing and made it happen. Big shout out to Gamma.io for finally verifying Giga Pepe V2. It proves that blue check and verification is about protecting customers and it's not a vanity metric. What that proves is that, that blue check, if you do good within the community, do community work, and you don't wish harm on anybody, you can get verified too. So that's a big win for any artist in this blockchain. You do good work within the community, right? Because like if you put a volume, you have to do a certain amount of volume. 20K STX is what it was beforehand, and they chop that down to 10K STX. It incentivizes like you could wash trade that, and that's not transparent. You want people doing good work within the community to get verified. So I think that zero authority is a good way for people to earn that verification, and I hope that they integrate it when zero authority is ready. So we do have the game master in the house. Welcome, Zenitron. We're gonna play a little finder. So
Hello everyone. Are you
Good
ready?
evening.
Hi. GM.
yeah, dude, we're gonna play some finder, and we got finder earn rounds for Leo, Rue, Nasty, Peggy, STSEX, and Flat today. So let me pull up the Discord. We'll get into the Zest Discord real quick, and get ready. Let's see who's ready for some finder. So I'll share my screen here. Let me go to my window here real quick. Boom, boom. And there we go. We got Zenitron in the house. We got Pick, Midi, Only One, MS. We got Lebowski. Lebowski, I'm gonna give you the role just in case you are here to play. Yeah, man, we're ready to get this thing started. And tomorrow we have the monthly Stacking Dow poker tournament going down too. So we're gonna have a little fun doing that. What's up, Only Black? Let's go. So here, what I'll do is I'll say, drop a gift if you are ready for finder. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. I drop the picture and after I drop the coordinates, right?
Yeah,
different. Okay, we start from the coordinates, right? Okay.
Yeah, you can start with the coordinates. That way, they can get set up in the starting location, and then boom, you drop the picture, and it's like good to go. Since we're having to copy the coordinates and paste it is the way that we found is most effective. So let's go. In this first round, I'm thinking we break it off something serious and do $10 worth of nasty token for the winner. Since they are the newest community participating in these Zest meme coin sprint. So let's give everybody just a moment. I'll make a post. Let me grab the pictures that I put together for the Zest meme coin sprint. Oh yeah, I didn't make one for Nasty or Peggy yet, so I'll just use the general prize.
So what the first prize?
It's gonna be for $10 in Nasty token.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
Picture in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, hunters.
Let's go, hunters. So we are looking for this Zest community chest on the sidewalk here. Looking like it's next to this mural of some sort with a mom and daughter looking like they're walking, holding hands. This is nice. A nice little mural. Let's see here. Close this out. Oh, I closed my Discord. Good grief. I can't get it right today. Let me pull up my Discord again and make it shake. Okay, there we go. So we are back in the Discord here. We got DeFi Dictator with the look at this. This is the dodgeball meme here. So it looks like we got a new player, Deep Pay It. May have won, maybe taken the cape. Let's see here. See a little
Yeah,
something.
maybe it's starting location. You have to find the place.
Okay, so that is the starting location, sir. You need to find the place. So let me make a GIF here.
And we have a winner. I believe it's bolupic.btc.
Oh, you pick.
Yeah.
Oh, you pick for the Winsky. Let's go.
Bolupic is a winner for the first game. Okay.
All right, let me grab this here. Boom, boom, boom. Good game. Good game, Bo. I see you, bro. And then Ace is back with us. All right, all right, all right. So I think this next game, Zenny, we're gonna do Leo. We're gonna do Leo for this next game,
Okay.
and I'll grab the picture for that real quick. Leo and Leo for this one. Oh, I'm not even sharing my screen. Let me pull up the screen key again real quick. Go back to the Discord. Boom, boom. So this one is going to be for $10 in Leo. Let's go.
Okay, I'm dropping starting coordinates. Get ready, everyone.
All right, all right. Look at this zesty gift. That's a zesty gift. I ever posted one. Gotta react to my own gift with an orange.
Okay, everyone, here is a picture. Be ready.
Alright.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to find this boat.
Alright, so this one's a Ghibli image. Got these Zest community just sitting in a boat. Let's go. Sail around the world, going port to port. Every time I produce a. Let's see if I can find this. We got GP's jumping in this one. So let's Google Map. See if I can find it. And if I can find it, I'm gonna pay myself the 10 Leo. I'm just kidding. I'll double the round for next week or next find to earn. Let's see. I'll go down the way just a little bit. Looking for a boat. Oh, we got boats off the rip. These guys are good. Let's see. So we got
Okay,
one.
here is the Isaac winner.
Isaac is the winner. Let's go. So and I think this next one we'll probably do flat. I think flat is the next one.
Yeah, that's totally fine.
All right.
Everyone get back. We'll give you like 30 seconds.
Leo coin winner here. Let me grab the picture for the Leo coin winner. Paste this in. Boom. And then let me grab the flat picture for this round will be for flat.
Okay, game round 3. Start here.
Oh, he's got the gun on me. Okay, okay, Isaac pulling the gun on me. I see you.
No problems. Calcoin have their own gun.
What type of gun? What type of guns do they have in the underworld? Oh,
Yeah.
oh, the pew pews are coming out. You better be careful.
Okay, here is a picture. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Ooh, a groovy looking puppers here for the flat round. Looks like we are in the damn. Yeah, this is the hood. The hood right here. Let's go. Search around in the hood for the puppers. Let's see who wins it. Oh damn. Zeppa ain't playing.
Somebody found? Let me check.
I think it's Zeppa, man. It looks from the image that's posted there. It looks accurate.
Yeah, we have a new winner. Congrats. Maybe it's a new player. That's amazing. Everyone well played. Good. We have these not so hard games, but it's very cool. We wait like 30 seconds, everyone get back.
Alright, got 30 seconds, guys, to get back to the, the Discord. I think that this one may just be for some Peggy. Let's do some Peggy on this one.
Yeah, remember it's better to follow the organized stream to listen us when we launch the game.
Yeah, I mean it's best because then you can get the alpha if there's any hints, if it's like the game is like still going on, you might just get the alpha. So. Oh damn. Only you got the mojo still only black. Don't you got the mojo.
Okay, we are preparing the next game. Round 4.
Round 4 for some Peggy. Let's go. Big shout out to the dog coin of stacks. DAWG coin on X. Let's go. Let's see, man. These guys are smoking me tonight, dude. I'm trying to
win. Okay,
dog.
Okay, it means like you have to find the dogs. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Let's go. Oh shit. That matched up nicely. Look at the zesty dogs here. Got a black
the game master just ruled the time.
Oh, you know, man, dude. You you
Yeah.
played the statistics. You know the statistics, right? Like the game master knows all. Forget about it.
Right on, right on. Let's go.
Let's see what we got. Except for you're more handsome than this guy. You look like this.
Chads.
Chad's in the chat. Let's go. All right. Let me see if I can't find these dogs playing around down the street doing dog things. Alright. So I'm looking for these puppers here. This guy's like, why is he taking my picture? And it's a Google Street Map car. This is trying to walk I'm working here. And this, we are looking at Mendoza, the Mendoza province. Looks like in Europe? Is this in Europe? No, this is in South America. No, is this in Africa? No, that's South America. I had to zoom out a little bit more. Mendoza in Africa. It sounds like a South America place, of course. Put my foot in my nose. I'm looking in the nice area. See if I can find some dogs. Oh, I found a dog. Not the two dogs we're looking for, though. Matter of fact, I think I found a Welsh. No, that's a Jack Russell Terrier.
We still have no winner. Okay, let me check.
Any winner? Let's see. Still no post. Still no post. Still up for the grabs. If GP finds it, we'll double the round for next week. Or the week after next.
Too silent. Maybe something happened. We are in another dimension.
Oh, is that what it is, dude? These are interdimensional dogs. I've heard of interdimensional frogs, but no interdimensional dogs yet. They're from the demon realm. Oh, wait a minute. No, that's not it. That's not the person I'm looking for. I got a guy here.
What's wrong, hunters? Maybe something with Discord?
I don't think it's something with the Discord. I haven't seen any. I haven't heard any new notifications pop in yet. Damn. This one like that? Alright, it
Maybe
seems
we're
like a lot.
freezing time.
I think we're stuck in a time loop right now. That's exactly what it is. We can launch 2 if you want. Up to you.
Oh, okay, we have a winner. It's Winnie.
Oh shit, win you for the Winsky, let's go! Alright, so let me change the screen back to the Discord. And show that win you is the winner. Winner for the Winsky, let's go win you. Good game, bro.
Okay.
So this next one is going to be for STSTX, and then the final round, that'll be the final round, right? Rue. The final round will be Subversum Rue for the win. What happened here? stop sharing my
Okay, not
screen.
so hard. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Let's go. All right. Try to reshare my screen and have it showing. We are looking for. Look at this. Look at this. I feel like I recognize this face of this person. I just don't know who it is. This round is for STSX. Let me drop that. Oh, did they find it that fast, dude? Yep.
Congrats, dude. Well played.
Dude, he is on fire. On fire.
Yeah. Okay, we make last game a little bit harder.
Crazy fast, dude. Dead.
Yes.
What is dead made of or dead? Alright, so this one will be for some Rue, and this will be our last one. And the cool thing is that we have a surprise giveaway for everybody that participated. I'm gonna send one lucky participant some B Pepe. So $10 in B Pepe to the winner. Or to I'm gonna put everybody in a hat, a random name selector will, and we will send some one lucky person some B Pepe.
Okay, final round.
Yep. All right, let me grab this here, post it into my Google Maps to get the starting location, and we will get the picture in just a moment once we give everybody a moment to get to the starting location. And then if you participated tonight, you have a chance at winning some B Pepe. How hard? This hard. Charlie Sheen, this is from the extremely scary movie. Oh, we got a new Zesty here. Let me give the Zest chat roll to you, so you can post your link. There we go.
Okay, you are ready, everyone? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Let's go. The last game for today.
Oh, last game for today. We got the Rue next to the money. I love how you just edited it out on the fly, dude. Thank you for that, dude. That's special. Thank you, dude. Seriously, thank you.
No problem.
So we've got this awesome mural in the background. Zenny found this location for us to go find. It has this awesome money mural. Like, I mean, this is fantastic artwork. It's cool. I love graffiti art. I'm just not any good at it. Got the Pepe riding the roof. Let's go. Alright, so let me click on this, make this big for a second, show it off. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. And now I am looking. I am in the game. I'm on the hunt. Let's go. Looking like for a big wall of some sort. This looks like a big wall. Not the right one, but a wall to say the least. We'll go down here. This is another wall. Scroll down the street just a little bit. See if I can't find this bad boy. Found some graffiti, just not the right graffiti. Looking for a mural. We said this one is medium rare, so make sure that you are
Yeah, okay, looks like the Isaac crashed it.
Isaac with the
Yeah.
win key already. 2. Let's go.
He won 2 games today.
Yeah, dude.
Congrats everyone, we have different winners.
Yeah, we
I
did.
believe 2 games by Isaac, 1 game by Winnie, 2 games by Debate, and the first game was win by bolupic.btc.
Yeah, Bully Pick got in there. Bully Pick got in there. All right. Thank you, hunters, for playing. I am going to everybody that has posted a link in here has been, and if you're in here right now, let's see, if you were searching, drop a hello or gift. And put here.
Okay, thanks everyone.
Thank you.
Well played. Go into Underworld.
All right, Zenny, have a good weekend, brother. Thank you for coming
See
through.
you. Play hard, go pro. See you.
Later, man. And this was an awesome, another awesome round of Find to Earn in the Zest Protocol Discord. Big shout out to the sponsors of the Zest Meme Coin Sprint: Rucoin, Leo Coin, Flat Earth. We got the Nasty token in there. We've got Peggy, STSDX, and Leo. So you guys have a very, very blessed rest of your weekend. Don't you pick anything on the agenda for the weekend, bro? And congrats on your win.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Nothing much. Just going to create some content and work on the smoke new NFT coming up. So just nothing much, just the usual stuff.
Right on, bro. Well, I do hope that you have a blessed weekend, and we will do it all again next week, man. Appreciate you having my back this weekend, this week, and you know, always showing up and showing out, dude. I'll catch you on the flip side. Later, bubs.
Yes, sir. See you later.
And this has been another based episode of DeOrganized Nightly, where we get your favorite Giga Brain Astronaut Scholars together, have a high frequency conversation, have some fun, discuss the latest Bitcoin and crypto news, give you some alpha fresh and hot off the presses. Be sure to tune into the Let's Go morning show at 8:30 a.m. ET Monday through Friday, along with the DeOrganized Nightly segment at 7 p.m. ET. Bi-weekly, we have these earn rounds with the Skullcoin crew, so be sure to follow Skullcoin BTC on X to stay in the know. We've got a lot of alpha and a lot of good stuff going for this ecosystem and industry, so get bullish, guys. Much higher. Alt season is on the horizon, and you know, learn a little bit about stacks. Get in the know. Follow the right accounts. Follow DeOrganized BTC on X to stay in the know. You can follow me, GPSC_SDX, to you know, find out what's going on within the Stacking DAO and Zest Discords. we are playing poker in the Zest Discord at 3 p.m. tomorrow. That is Eastern time. And registration for guests starts at 12 p.m. ET in the Discord. So if you want to play and get the link to be able to register to the tournament, be sure to join the Stacking DAO Discord. Big shout out to our marketing partners, Stacking DAO and Fitflow Finance. You guys have a blessed rest of your weekend. Go touch some grass and get some ass, like our beloved Peace Love Music would say. Stay ahead of the curve like Jack Fin Switch. And remember, DeOrganized is where it's at. You guys have a blessed one. Peace. Stay classy, DJ. See you next week. You still aren't following the main Stacks handle at Stacks? You don't know about the POX mechanism? You don't know about 631? Jeez. You're still here? What are you doing, DJ? You touch some grass.